I have an eye stroke, my left eye.
他的左
When
眼
I wake up, I cannot see, like
是看不见
totally blind.
是
But
看不
after I go for some, my don't know what surgery, it's a stroke eye lah.
本来是
So
需
I
要动
cannot
手术
see all my finger, but through prayer, by getting better. But just now you shake my hand. After that, I can see clearer. And then
现在
there's
左眼
no
可以看得见
one line block my eye, left eye.
So you were totally blind in your left eye.
But
And
I can see clearer. Then there's a line on the center, but cannot. But now I can see clearer. The line, like black line, gone.
他之前
And
眼睛
did
是
you
看
tell
不
me
见
your problem?
左眼看不见，现在看得
Sorry
见了。
Did you tell me that you were blind?
The problem, but every morning.
So you didn't tell me that you had a blind eye.
他没有告诉牧师，
but
So Jesus knew your blind eye.
I got no.
神已经医治了他的左眼。
So I just shook hands with you and your blind eye opened.
Yeah, I can see clearer. The blind, the block, the black line are gone.
Someone say hallelujah.
说赞美神。刚才牧师为他跟他握手的时候，现在他的左眼就看见了。